clean up after him.
Oh
I
my
feel
god.
pretty good about that.
Oh my god. So cute.
Oh. He's very worried.
His eyes open now.
You're okay, little dude. You're okay.
It's remarkable how, like, just nonchalant he is with the hiccups.
Yeah.
Just
Well, he hiccuped a
yeah,
lot
all the time.
when he
But
was.
the same thing with
yeah.
a sneeze. I mean, he sneezes and like, oh, that was great.
But the other thing I read about sneezes is that they sneeze, infants sneeze a lot because
They got fluid in
they've
their
got
lungs.
still got fluid in their lungs.
Right. I mean,
Oh.
sneezing is great. We're all for it.
But I think the hiccuping has something to do with gas too. It's a way that they get rid of gas.
He's got a lot of hiccups right now.
Usually the only way that I can help him
Right,
get rid of the
see,
hiccups is to
it's
nurse
this
him.
maneuver. This is exactly the series of events that he.
That keeps him up.
Right. He
Yeah.
eats, then he like kind of falls asleep. Then I try to burp him, and then he does that. You know,
Maybe
type
bounce
thing.
him a little bit.
And then he's just not. You got to bounce, and you got to just work him. Now they say also like that could be gas. So if we just keep if we just
Move his legs up
like
and
move
down.
his legs kind of like this.